POV after busy event, jamming, Killatin with LTA fam.
Kaya't sa aking awit taluhin at bigaya. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
R&B singer ka. R&B. Actually, magagaling naman kumanta yung iba, kaya lang yung proper breathing. Kasi mabaho yung mic minsan na.
Oo. Ano may problema ka sa breathing? Ginagawa.
Oo. Go girl.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't born enough. But I always was out trying to fit it out. While you're playing games, there's no love, and I can't believe it hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. But you see, you wanted in me, but I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found
Pero yung kape ko. Ako nagbuda ko na maglaro ako ng lasa. Ay, hindi na may stand yan. May stand yan. Ganun yung mamaya, yung blink, may blink quality yan. Parang smiley.
Hi po, ha?
Proud kuya.
Proud kuya, let's go!
Parang hindi, hindi ka.